Good fire going. I got my coffee ready. So we're good to go now. Good morning guys, Kevin with the Knife Doctor. I really am humbled about how my channel has grown. I just want to thank y'all so much for all the subscribers and all the people that have watched my videos. It's just unreal to me. I would be watched that many times with knives and everything. It's just the passion that I have of knives and old-timey stuff and EDC, everyday carry, camping gear. Thank y'all so much again. But today is the video, or today is it. This is the video for the knife giveaway. So on this video, please comment below. Just do a comment and tell me what your favorite knife is, or just say anything you want, but it needs to be a comment. And you got to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be 18 years of age or older. You have to live in the United States. I'm not going to ship overseas. There's so many laws and stipulations with that. I just don't want to take a chance of losing the knife. But I wish it wasn't like that, but it is. But I'm giving away that buck knife. Here it is right here. But that's the buck knife. It's a 503 buck USA. Wood handles. I'll show it to you closer up when I do my pocket dump. I plan on picking the winner on Tuesday. I've got a camping trip I'm doing this weekend. I just won't have time to research on how to do one live and stuff like that. So it is going to be Tuesday after lunch when I pick the winner. I'm going to try to do it live, and then the video should be on my channel Tuesday afternoon. And whoever is the winner, I'll give you 24 hours of commenting. And I'll give you my email and get you to send me your address. So then I'll get it shipped out next week. But thank you again, guys. I'm fixing to do my pocket dump for today. But a little cool this morning. That's why I had to build this fire. I wanted to do it down here in my cabin. This is the cabin I built by hand, right by myself. And I built it back in 2014. The wood stove is from 1936. It come from around Asheville, North Carolina. It's got a stamp on it. It's Atlanta Stove Works. So it's a good little wood stove. It's perfect for this place. It'll run you out of here now if you ain't careful. You got to know how to operate it. You got to get a little bit of coal, shut it down, open it back up just a little bit, and put a big old log on there, and it stays warm in here. I've slept down here when it got down to the teens, and it kept me good and warm. So, but this is it. I'll give you a tour. If you'd like to see the tour of the cabin, just let me know below, and I'll do that because I'm really proud of this place. So anyway, guys, I'm fixing to do the pocket dump, so let's get to that. All right, guys, what I have in my pocket this morning, it's usually about the same stuff. There's a few different knives I put in here this morning, but y'all know this one here. I'm carrying it for about a week or two, but I just love the way that feels. But this is a knife I just redone the 2 pins here. I did this one to replace this broken punch blade here, but these pins turned out real good. Then I saw that this was tight on this side, so I went ahead and changed this pin out too. But it's a good knife, it really is. But this is a 1961 Camillus. I have the video up, you can watch it. But I'm gonna carry it. Whenever I redo knives, I like to carry them for a little while, then I'll throw them in my collection. It's just something about me being able to grab that knife, knowing I've done something to it to bring it back to life, you know. So call me weird, but that's just who I am. Anyway, that's that. And y'all know this one. I redone the handles on this one. That's a case, and it was done in that stamp right there was used between 1940 and 1964. I always carry this because I just love the feel of that deer stag on there that I put on there. It used to have black plastic handles that shrunk up some, and I took them off. And this knife came from a thrift store in Pine Mountain, Georgia. But it's a great little knife, and I love it. They're probably gonna find this knife on me when I'm dead. What else? Okay, this is two different knives here. This right here is a Schrade CH7. I don't know if y'all have ever seen one of those, but it is a very light knife, and it's sharp, serrated edge. You know, a lot of folks don't like that. I call it a saw, but it's a serrated edge. But you see, it's a Schrade USA CH7. But it's a good feeling knife. You can put it on your backpack. Cause see, this clip comes undone here. See that? It detaches here, and you can just use that. It's not spring assisted or anything. You just gotta push it open, and I like that, you know, cause you being in the backpack or being in the woods, if something just touches that on a spring assisted, it could open up, and you could reach back there to grab that knife, and you can cut yourself bad. But I like carrying this knife, and what I do is I put that on my belt clip and just put it in my pocket, and you can detach it and attach it to both sides here. See that? Ain't that cool? Never saw one of these. I forgot where I bought this thing at, but it's a good feeling knife. And they're not that expensive. Go look on eBay. You can pick one up for about 20 bucks, 15 bucks. And good knife. Good knife to have, and it's very light. I like that. Okay, this next knife, guys, is it was given to me by a friend, the same guy that worked with me at Andersonville National Historical Site. He's the one that made me them two sheaths up that I got at Smiley's here. You can watch the video here on my channel. But he gave me this knife here. He put stag on here, and what this is a Camillus right there. You see the long line under Camillus? That stamp was used in the 1960s and 70s. But he redone this knife for me and gave it to me, and it's an excellent knife, and it just feels good in your hand with that stag. It just feels good. But I love knives to begin with, but when he gave me this knife and told me what he'd done, I wanted to do exactly what he's doing, and he's still doing this today. He's at Smiley's most weekends up there. That's just what he does, and he's just a great old guy. But he gave me this knife, and I'll cherish this knife forever. Just a good feeling knife. It's good to carry. It is a Camillus Stockman, nickel plated bolsters, brass liners, and it's in great shape. Great shape. Anyway, that's that knife. And then, you know, I'm gonna be carrying a Zippo. This is one I got at the flea market a few weeks ago. And, you know, I'm gonna be carrying my Glock 43X, 10 rounds. Very dependable, very slender, very easy to carry. #1 selling handgun in the United States. And this is the knife I'm giving away. A buck. You see that symbol there right beside 503? It's like a C with a little dot in it, and that says it was made in 2015. But great little knife here. Wood handles. It ain't hurt at all. The blade ain't hurt at all. It's sturdy, but it's a good little knife. But I'll be sending this to somebody that comments on this video. It's a great little knife. I forgot I had this on my side. This one I showed off the other day. I'm gonna wear it for a week on my belt, but this is the Case XX Folding Hunter 1964 to 1969 laminated wood drilled frame. Excellent shape. Beautiful knife.
I put this leather piece on it the other day. The video is up on my channel. And I get a bunch of questions about my watch. I love a great watch. This is a Seiko Solar. It has the date. I don't know about the model number, but I've had it for probably about 2 years now. Never gave me an ounce of trouble. It keeps time very well, but it's a good watch. Whatever y'all can read there to help you. But it's a good watch. It sure is. Good solid band. A canvas band. That's what I like. Those. I like the military type of watch. The way they look and all. For me being outdoors and stuff, I need something that's gonna last. I paid about 200 bucks for it. I bought it from a local jewelry place in Americus, Georgia. But that's what I got in my pockets, guys. But don't forget, that's gonna be in somebody else's pocket next week. Okay, guys, I'm also gonna give to whoever wins. Got these in the mail yesterday. Check that out. Ain't that cool? It's a 5x3 sticker. I want to include that in with your knife, whoever wins. That looks real good. But thanks again, y'all, from the bottom of my heart. So again, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. You got to be 18 years of age or older, and you got to live in the United States. That's the only way you be eligible to win. And thanks again, guys. Until we meet again, be like a good knife. Y'all stay sharp. And good luck to all y'all. Thanks again.
I made it known